Ano sir yung inaasahan ninyo bilang member po ng Congress na magiging epekto nito doon sa perception ng mga tao when it comes doon nga po sa integrity ng institusyon, yamang nabanggit nyo na po yan?
Unang-una po, 'di ba, meron naman pong independent infrastructure commission for infrastructure, no? So, I guess part of the reason why Speaker Martin Romualdez decided, no, to step down is to allow, of course, para mapagbigyan ng pagkakataon ng ating mga taong bayan na makita nila na dito sa ginagawa ngayon na investigasyon sa controversies ay walang sabi nga ng presidente ay no one will be spared. So I think that's how he was decent enough to allow, no, itong independent infra commission to go on and then operate without necessarily putting up the office of the speaker as a hindrance, no, kasi yung perception ng taong bayan. So I think yung integrity of the House, that alone is his action alone gives priority to the perception of the people that, you know, we need the integrity of the House and the yung credibility of the House to return back doon sa institution mismo. So let's ang akin lang po, let's give him that. Talagang pinakita po niya hindi ho madali na mag-step down sa posisyon, pero despite yung kanyang eagerness to continue on leading and steering the House of Representatives, because he has proven in the last previous Congress na 100% yung LEDAC na priority ng administrasyon na i-deliver po namin under his leadership. So despite his eagerness to continue on with this, the progress that we have achieved, he himself made himself as an example, choosing the integrity and the institution over himself.